Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in the previous video that we had gone live at this site of G Plus, we had asked some questions. There were these two foundation here which were at the casting stage here. You can see one and two, these two foundations near the septic tank. So I had asked that what they did after excavation, they had removed the water and then they had casted the foundation. But after some time, the water from the septic tank had soaked in and the concrete couldn't have settled properly. So, what could have been its solution which we could do to avoid this problem? So, I had asked to comment. According to our opinion, the best option was they could use a rapid hardening cement so that the concrete sets fast and settles fast. So this was an valid option in this case. So if they had used rapid hardening cement, that would settle properly and the water which had soaked in couldn't have caused any problem. So coming back to the site, you can see that they are working on the plinth level. Rod binding is going on for the plinth level. Now the plinth level is the point where the substructure ends and the superstructure starts. So it is a point of intersection between the substructure and the superstructure. After the casting of the plinth level, the substructure will end and the superstructure will start. So as you can see that here backfilling is done using sand. So in the previous video I had also asked you a question that why backfilling is done using sand and why not any other material like clay we can do using this normal earth, why not using any other soil? So the answer is that sand gets compacted very quickly and very easily, especially when damp. You can see pipes here. Through these pipes water has been supplied regularly to this sand so that it damps properly. So if the sand damps properly, then it is consolidated very easily, and when it gets consolidated easily, then settlements due to moisture content differences do not occur. In the clay what happens is some differences, clay or regular any other soil, the regular differences in moisture contents occurs. Moisture content may increase or decrease and settlement or consolidation also takes a long time. So while constructing the building it may not get compacted fully, it may get compacted after some time, maybe 10 years, 15 years. After that any minute settlement like 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter may cause in imbalance and may result in cracks in our building, and this could be harmful for the structure. So in backfilling we use sand which is first dampened properly with the help of water pipes. It is compacted. So after compacting the sand, then we go for the flooring. So in this case it is a residential building, we will go for PCC flooring, that is we will not use any reinforcement. But what they will do is, in the case of industrial structure, sometimes reinforcement is also used in flooring. So coming back, let us go and look what reinforcement they have provided. You can see that now you can see that they have provided these stirrups of 8 mm and they have provided these bars of 12 mm. As you can see here, longitudinal bars of 12 mm and stirrups of 8 mm they provided. So we'll discuss more on this reinforcement part, whether they have provided properly or not. You can see that they have provided continuously at the same spacing. The spacing is same everywhere. At the ends also it is the same, and you can see that the junction, let me show you a junction here. This is a junction where two twin beams meet at the column. You can see here. You can comment below whether the reinforcement provided is proper or not. We'll discuss in the next video the answer. And please do comment, because through comment only we can interact, because we don't want it to be a one way source. We want it to be a two way, whether both of us can interact. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and keep watching, keep sharing. See you in the next video, and we are waiting for your comments. Bye.